I predict in the next 10 years that crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin, all of this innovation will be the 12th sector of the S&P.
Crypto appears to be the new .com boom, and more people have become overnight millionaires due to digital assets than ever before. If you're like me, then you've known about crypto for way too long to have not been included in one of these waves that have taken thousands of traders to financial freedom and success. Naturally, it seems when the hype of crypto is finally at a point where it's riskless enough to invest, the bottom falls out and takes you down with it. This is a common phenomenon across multiple markets and is known as the shoe shine indicator. When the shoe shine boy is making money off the market and giving you stock advice, it is time to get out and wait for the next entry. Or in crypto, if your grandpa has a hardware wallet and the news is talking about JPEGs of monkeys getting sold for thousands of dollars, the bubble is probably about to burst. The time to invest into the market is when the public is fearful, thus allowing you to profit in the buildup of hype. Now in 2022, with the Fed increasing interest rates and what looks to be back-to-back quarters of negative GDP growth, tough times for millions of individuals appear to be right around the corner. The market is taking a dive, and this is sitting us on a discount, one that if taken advantage of has the potential to make life-changing money. Once the Fed's printer springs up again, of course. I would like to create content that documents my journey into becoming a successful trader and what it takes to truly make money in this market from the perspective of somebody that is relatively new. Now, I have around 800 hours of trading in this market, which is next to nothing. But over the next few months, I'll be approaching this with everything I have in me. The goal is to, as the title suggests, make it or break it. I will document all my live trades and steps I'm taking to grow into a profitable trader. I'm starting with the goal to turn $1,000 into $10,000. However, the true goal is to develop consistency. And with that consistency, the money will follow. Now, I want to clarify, none of this is financial advice. This is more of a case study where I can show you what I'm trying to do to learn how to trade and track my progress, so that you can hopefully learn with me or from my mistakes. For those of you who do begin to trade or have been trading, please feel free to leave any advice or ask any questions in the comments below. I would love to build a community where we can take this journey together and learn as much from each other as possible. Now, when it comes to trading, I will have a schedule of when I will take trades, and that will be during the New York session. For those of you who do not know, the coins follow pretty close to what the stock market is doing. So when the stock market opens up at 9:30 and when it closes at 4 Eastern time zone, the psychology and the volatility of the stock market pretty much reflects on the way the coins will move. Consistency of time of day trading should aid in developing consistency in winning trades. Developing a standard of rules that I adhere to will also be vital in developing a consistent approach to taking trades that present good probabilities. These may change as I further educate myself, and I will discuss this strategy for the week in every video. Now, the goal is not to win every trade. The market is unpredictable, and each trade is completely individual. Anyone who says differently is lying. They cannot win 100% of their trades. To expect the same result every time will just develop fear or certainty that will aid in making mistakes. To combat this, we need to view the market in probabilities, meaning I will view the market like a casino. The casino will never know the outcome of what will happen, but it has edges in place that will increase the probability in their favor. These strategies will be our edge, and the better they become, the better probabilities we will have winning when we take a trade. Emotions are the enemy of a consistent trader. They can do a lot to ruin a trade. If you're 100% sure a trade will go your way, you will look past the opposing evidence of the trade going south, and if you're fearful, you could miss the potential of winning opportunities. By understanding that no trade is the same, we will only take trades based on when our strategy says the market is offering us an opportunity. By this, we are giving ourselves to the market and trusting upon our edges in place like a casino. This will allow us to focus on making trades and observing them from an unbiased approach. As long as we apply good risk management and money management, develop a good enough edge or strategy, theoretically, we should win a large enough sample size of trades to be profitable. This video will uncover my entire week, Monday through Friday, and I will explain my thought process approaching the week, as well as breaking down all the trades at the end of the week. I'm going to document what I did well and what I could have done better. While this format should provide an awesome space for me to learn from my mistakes and continue to grow, hopefully it will give you guys some value as well. Please feel free to add to the conversation and share your input, as this will help aid other viewers and myself. As the series grows, I will do a lot more to try and create channels, do live trading sessions, and whatever I can do to grow this community. If we can all learn from each other, the time spent educating ourselves can hopefully be lightened and we can spend more time actually making money. Now, I don't have much more to say other than the first video of this series should be up in about a week from now. If you think it's a good idea and you're interested to see how it will play out, please leave a like and drop a sub so you can be part of this journey when we start next week. Remember, wealth is grown in times of crisis, and now is the best opportunity we have had to grind and make changes that could impact the rest of our life. Let's not miss this wave. Cheers, guys.